Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Before we get started, a quick reminder to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. This month I'll show you how to make some crunchy chocolate squares, so let's go. Here's what you'll need. You can sub the peanut butter with any nut butter, and the cornflakes with Rice Krispies or oats. Start by melting the chocolate till smooth, either in a bain-marie like I do, or in pulses in the microwave. If you want to make it vegan friendly and dairy free, you can use vegan chocolate instead of the regular one. Now add the peanut butter and mix till smooth again. Time to add the last part, the crunch. Add the cornflakes and mix well. Transfer to a covered baking tray and spread it around evenly. Give it some taps and into the fridge for 30 minutes. Now it's cooled enough but not too solid, so it's time to cut the squares without them breaking. Once done, back to the fridge till fully solid. And that's it, a fun and easy treat to make at home, either for yourself, friends, or with your kids. Let me know in the comments below how long it took you to finish all of it. Here it ended in about 3 days. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit.